Okay, here we have a nice little short here. Let's go to 6 contracts on this one. Let's go for a 15 tick profit target. We'll keep it 10 to 12 ticks here. Go ahead and execute our order. And there we go. $10 a tick times a 15 ticks times the 6 contracts. You can do the math on that. It's $700 or so dollars. Now what we're doing is we're coming off of a few resistance levels here. We got on. I'm looking at our charts on the right, which are 2-minute charts. We have the Archer target, and we have our moving average, which is creating a bit of a bit of an overhead resistance for us. So we're in some sort of a consolidation now, but there's enough volatility in this consolidation and price movement to where we can actually make plays off of this. You can see it's crawling along our Archer zone lines. I'm just going to pull our just give a little bit of breathing room right here, because when you're dealing with these consolidations, they can make one little bit of a move in it against you, and what that does is basically just ends up stomping people out. So prematurely, basic whipsaw. So you got to be careful. That's the one downside of putting on a trade like this. So give it just a little bit of breathing room. I think we're going to be perfectly fine right here, though. So now it's just a little bit of a waiting game here. And we've been in this trade almost 2 minutes. And I think it'll be a pretty fast trade, because if you look at the horizontal action here, it's moving pretty quick. So what we're going to do is just kind of stay tight right here. And you can see it's really having a hard time moving up. You can just see the volume build up, and it's kind of pushing down price here. So we should see a nice little move right here to the downside. Usually it'll stall when you're short on these oil contracts, and then it'll just give away and just completely collapse as everyone just kind of bails on the trade. Well, there you go. There's exactly my point here. So we put our profit target in right at the moving average slash Archer target line, and I may move this in a couple of ticks for maybe like a 13 tick profit target here. Let's just see how close it does get to our moving average. It's a little bit of a threading a needle situation here. And bring in our stop. And let's just go in 2 ticks here, and this should pop us right through. Go to break even here on our stop. We're looking right here. Okay, let's go to break even on our stop, and we should pop out right here at 13 ticks. So there it is. All right, 780. Nice little trade there. We're using this little resistance level here.